Guys, it's time to wash the cars. They are filthy! Filthy! Okay, now that the car's all clean, guys, this car looks fantastic. So my grandpa told me that in the olden days that he used to take brake fluid and he would apply it as a tire shine, because not only does it make your tires really clean, it also hydrates the rubber and makes your tires last longer, which I was like, okay. And I've been wanting to do this for a while, so now that I have it, I have this super dot for, I don't know, it's just some random one. I have this random like thing, and we're just gonna try it out and see if it works or not. Wow, that looks impressive. Like, that looks really good. Like, wow. All right, let's do this to the rest of them. Guys, that's impressive. That's super impressive. Guys, that is insane. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Man, and it has that gleam and shine. Guys, like, oh my gosh. I love this. I'm gonna start doing that from now on. I used to have this one that I used from Discount Tire, and I actually still have it, but that is way better than any tire shine that I've ever seen, guys. Anyways, if you guys like today's tips and tricks and stuff, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm posting every single day, guys. Nothing left to say. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one, and I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.